Today I want to show you this puzzle. I think this is my largest puzzle I got from Taobao.com. Nice bag. You can see there's a head. I have to make it loose first. Voila! This is the pen. Now I have to try it on. This is basically normal pens with rubber band around the waist, and you can tie it with that string here, and it's very nice double layer. Here is the leg, and the foot will come out here. And now let's have a look. How does it look like? Hey. Yes, it looks quite nice. I'm a little bit surprised that the legs look like my real legs. And this is the back. You can have a closer look here. It's very nicely made. It's not just like normal pens. It's even filled with something here to make the tummy a little bit bigger, and the legs are like cushion. You can see it's like very nice. The only problem I'm having is the head is a little bit heavy, but it's alright. It's better to have it looking up. But also there I've got a problem. I think it's too long for me. I'm 170 tall, and I don't know why they need this cover to cover the shoe, and there's also a rubber band here underneath to tie it to the shoe. It's not quite good for outdoor. I think it's better if I can put this in there, and so that's, I think this still look nice. It's funny to see, oh, I can walk like this. I have used this one for the Sydney zombie walk, and I just want to show you what I have done to make sure it works properly when I walk. Basically I use a pair of suspenders. So then I can make sure the pen doesn't drop. There's only one other issue. Because the face looks pretty cute, I want to let people always see the face. The problem is I can't get it up. I've tried different things. I tried to get something tied this to my pen. It didn't work properly. So at the end, what I have done, if you have watched my video, then you have noticed the head is basically looking up. The trick is I use a shoelace and simply tie from here. So basically you can't really see it, and I tie it up to the suspender here, and so and this, I can put this away. Now you can see the head is up. Now, and I can walk and jump, and it's holding really well. I can show you, let you see the difference. Now it's tidying here, and you can see the face. If I put this away, then the head will drop down. So there's a difference. I really love this one. I had a lot of fun on the Sydney Zombie Walk. If you like the video, please click on like. Thank you for watching. Bye.